Stop.
Oh, nice. What's up, guys? We're the Pokey Dudes. YouTube is telling us right here that not a lot of you are subscribed that are watching, and that's okay. Click that subscribe button. Watch us every week. We put out a video every week, if not more, and a bunch of shorts. So let's get to it. Found this box at Walmart, so we're gonna check it out and see what's in it. We got the Lugia EX, the big card in there with the promo card here. So we're just gonna get into it and see what's in here. Wow. Oh, 2 Paradox Rift, 1 Obsidian Flames, 3 Scarlet and Violet, another Paradox Rift, 3. So we got 4 Obsidian Flames, 3 Scarlet and Violet base set,
4 Paradox Rift.
4 Paradox Rift.
Whoa.
Oh wow,
Whoa.
what's all this? Look at all these different cards in here.
I want that.
In the front of this box, there were all these different cards, and they all, like, that's pretty cool. I mean, they're labeled CLB down here. What is CLB?
Oh, it's like a battling. Battle cards?
CLB. I don't know. I have to look that up and figure out.
Consistent level battling.
Good guess.
I want that.
But let me see. It's pretty cool. So we got that. We got the
Battling.
CLV, CLC. I'm gonna have to look that up and see what all that is.
Oh, I want
These
that.
are some pretty cool cards. Everybody got some.
Steenie, Paldean Looper, Baltoy, Carvine.
Moving us.
That guy. Systematoad, Stunfisk, Phantom, and
No.
I'm gonna go for Paradox Rift. Paradox Rift. I'm so tired. I went. Oh. Alright. Come on, Tate. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on, please. Please. You need a pull. Got a Paradox Rift.
Mirage.
Basic game Mirage. Hey, guys.
You got an EX, huh?
Yeah. Golden X. Golden X. Scan it. Can you scan it? You see me? Can you scan it? Yes, you can. What the? Alright. Come on, dude. This pack's fire, man. It's gonna be fire, so I'm gonna keep going. I'm not sure.
The Chomp.
I'm good.
Fungus Nose Pass. Bolava.
Ooh.
Team Star
Team
Grunt.
Star Grunt.
Altaria. Young Ghost. Grumpig.
Ooh.
Houndstone. EX.
Go, I'm rocking it today.
You're rocking it with the pools, the EXs, and everything, man. Nice one.
We already have this. Duh.
Pretty sure we did. It's upside down.
Yes, because I pulled. We pulled 15. They pulled 2. If Judah gets the guy that we pulled, we're into triple digit. I'm joking. Double digit. Ow, 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 ow. Sorry. Let's go. Ow, Arvin. That's good in the dog. Stop.
Ooh, nice.
Oh, Tay, you could have got that. We need that. Is that
Team
Paradox
Star
Rift?
Grunt. No, that's basic.
No, what? Base set, baby. Let's go. No, that's Obsidian Flames. Fire, Judah. Let's go, bro.
Oh, wait. No, that's base set. That's V1.
No, Obsidian Flames.
Well, this one's base set.
Base set.
Nice. Here, sleeve it up.
Damn. Wow. That was nice. I'm getting the pools
Nice.
today. I'm getting the pools.
Judah, you're getting the pulls today.
Yeah.
J-Dog, what up?
Oh, Palafin. Oh, I flipped. How many?
Oh.
How many did you flip? 2?
Dang it!
Yeah.
I got a Palafin.
Yay.
I got some other cool cards though.
Hey.
That was really funny. Ooh,
What if he got?
All right, well,
We're done.
this is messy. Messy
Oh.
pack
can
opening.
we?
You just made it more messy.
But that's okay. This pack's fire, guys.
That's what.
Sorry, my jokes. Oh, it is fire. Future card.
It's cold
Gal
now.
score.
It's cold now.
Future
sorry.
booster energy capsule.
It's cold now.
It's so Pacific, man.
Okay. Perfect temperature.
Gold
Dingo!
dingo.
Nice.
Ding ding.
You do not have
Oh yeah, yay!
gold. Ding 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 do ding ding.
I'm rich, guys. I'm rich.
Pop up.
I have gold dingo. Sorry.
Doing these for our set. Let's go. What's the big one? Not Groudon. It's Roaring Moon is what we need.
Just pull it up.
Alright,
It's been
Toadskull,
so
Fanalite, Charcadet, Durant, Little Trio,
Noah.
Zekrom,
Nope.
no pool.
Alright, you look at it.
Look out. Now we need Roaring Moon.
Roaring moon.
Roaring Moon.
Roaring moon.
Tink a tank.
Roaring moon.
Screamed out! Iron Bone.
Rolling moon, rolling moon, rolling moon.
No, that's the same one. We got 2 packs in a
I
row.
said roaring moon.
It's alright.
Set stack up here. Dad, look. Base set Paradox Rift.
This is okay. Thank you.
Base set Paradox Rift and OBF.
Staravia, Dash Bomb, Torkoal,
on, buddy.
Scovillain, Silicobra, Ponyard, oh, Oinkalone!
Oinkalone. EX.
Oinkalone. Nice. Alright, what you got, Finn?
Here we go.
Fuecoco, Drowsy, Nimona, Muck,
Oh.
Spupa,
Muck.
Ralt, Salazar.
Salazar.
Alright, here's Obsidian Flames.
Obsidian flame. Obsidian flame. Obsidian flame. Obsidian flame. Obsidian flame. Obsidian flames. Obsidian flames.
Alright, that's enough.
But where are you open those?
Finizen, Herdier, Glimmet. This is Obsidian Flames. Oinkalone, Letter of Encouragement, Chandelure, Meltan. Sizor! Dude, nice.
Sizor.
Toxtricity.
Whatever.
Look at that, full art.
Weird. That's so cool. What is it?
A rare, full art
Oh, the
Sizor.
Sizor.
Nice. Scizor, Sizor.
That's
Dude, that is pretty cool.
I used to have that card.
All right, so let's check out what we got in this $48
Pack opening.
markdown $48 deal that I just found at Walmart. So we got all those different cards that we've never seen in there, promo cards.
Yeah, it's so weird.
And then we had base set, Obsidian Flames, Paradox Rift.
Everything.
Here's OBF. And so we got a Goldingo. We got an Armorage, both from Paradox Rift. And we got a base set, Oinkalone.
Nice.
A Houndstone from Obsidian Flames. Then from base set, we got the Team Stargrunt there, full art trainer.
Nice.
And then we got the
Trainers.
trainers. And then we got the Sizar full art from base set. From Obsidian Flames. That's awesome. So pretty good pulls. A lot better than I thought we'd do in that. So that was a pretty good pickup for 11 packs, $48. So if you see something marked down at Walmart, man, try it. See what it does for you. And don't forget to like, subscribe. We're almost 500 subscribers. We're going to give away an ETB. So stay tuned.